Just got back from running the Tamiya Toyota Tundra high lift, as you can see in front. This beautiful 3-speed Tamiya high lift, which is very similar to the Ford F350 high lift and the Hilux high lift. They are very unique scaler, a bit more like a scaler trail RC than a crawler. It is what makes it very unique is the detail, in my opinion, of the body and the overall detail of the kit. And another thing really noticeable is the 3-speed transmissions. So these trucks, such as this one here, has a 3-speed transmission, which is very interesting, and mean that you could run on really low speed on first gear for climbing, and second gear is what I run most of the time. Overall combination of speed and torque, and if you want speed is the third gear. So this car here is equipped with the RC4WD transmitter. It is unfortunately AM, so it has some drawbacks associated with AM radio, such as limited range and some interference sometimes. And of course, the least of my favorite is the 4AA batteries. However, this is the recommended radio because this truck here has a multifunction unit, which is called the MFC-02. That is a combination of the speed controller as well as for the sound and light unit. It's a little bit hard to see here from the video, but here's the controller here for the sound and light switch and volume. And under here, this box here is where you would find, I'll lift it up here, is the speaker. I'm not sure you can see there, that's the speaker, and also some vibration unit here, which cause the truck to vibrate along with the sound. Now I'm gonna plug this in just to have a quick illustration. I'm gonna turn this thing on first and plug the battery in right here. You should hear the sound. There you go. So that's the sound. And I'm going to turn the light. This is the light switching here, this button. As I hit the light, you see the light on. Hit it again to get more light. Have the volume controller. Now it's approximately medium, but I could turn it up. It is quite loud. Turn this thing off here. So what's also interesting too is if I turn the radio off and get the alarm and then turn this thing on, the truck starts. So how this, you might be able to see here, the muffler is shaking a little bit and the truck is shaking from the vibration unit. Now I'm just going to lift this up a little bit here. This is first speed. Middle here, by default the second speed. And last but not least, third speed. So that's a 3-speed. And the horn, press this down, get the horn. So this unit here has also worth noticing. Note here it has the upgraded. This is actually RC4WD Yota Axle, which you find as a Trail Finder too. It has the upgraded wheels and tire. This is RC4WD Rock Creepers, what it says there, and it has aluminum RCWD rims associated with it. So that's some of the upgrades. The rest is pretty much stock. I am running just a standard 7.2 volt battery pack right here. Nothing really spectacular. It's a 3000 milliamp NIMH. Should give you plenty of running time. I haven't drained this battery yet. Been running it for probably a good, I'd say about 20 minutes. So it should last longer than 20 minutes, which is more than what I was hoping. And that's about it. And stay tuned, because I'll show you the running video that I just did today. And once again, thanks for watching.
Oh, watch out for the peppers. That's third gear, right?
Yeah, the one on the right, yep.
There's not a cat to bug.
Yeah.
You really want.
Becky, did you put the stuffies? Yeah.
You guys can sneak over to the golf course.
Cards or what they need?
Need to put a little basket on there, steal golf balls.
Yeah.
Oh, we're losing the antenna.